Nike Running keeps elevating its fan-favorite Pegasus Premium with a bold new seasonal iteration built for comfort, performance, and everyday style. As 2026 draws near, the triple-cushioned running icon arrives in a dynamic light crimson and bright crimson color scheme highlighted by black and team red accents, creating a visually powerful yet clean aesthetic for runners on any surface. This latest update emphasizes ruby-toned details, contrasting branding, and a sculpted zoom air unit that reinforces the model's signature responsiveness and trusted ride. The fresh colorway reflects Nike's ongoing commitment to blending functional innovation with compelling design for athletes who value speed, durability, and versatility in every run. Official photos reveal a premium finish that enhances both performance appeal and lifestyle wear, making this release a strong option for runners seeking reliable cushioning without compromising style. The Light Crimson Pegasus Premium is set to launch on Nike.com in May 2026 with a retail price of $220. Inspiration.